Letting y'all know one last time before this upload begins that this is your last chance to get entered to win the Supra and the Bronco. Only hours left for you. Countdown timer is up on the website, so you can make sure that you got in with time left. As I film this, only 9 hours left, but it will be more like maybe 2 or 3 if you're watching this when it comes out. Grab some cool merch. Got all kinds of really awesome stuff on there. You will find something that you love, and it might just come with a new Supra or new Bronco. So check it out, InChainDesigns.com. Every $1 spent equals 5 entries for the Bronco and 5 for the Supra. 10 entries in total. Good luck, and hit that link down below. Good morning, guys. Hope all of you are having a great day. Now, today is going to be awesome because we are flying to Miami to pick up the SVJ. She just had the full GINTANI F1 system and flame tune installed by Wheels Boutique. It's epic. If you're wondering why, like, Miami, you know, why send your car? I live in PA. Why send it all the way to Miami to get an exhaust? Well, for the SVJ, I wanted somebody I could really, really trust. And, you know, these guys were highly recommended by Randy and Turner. You know, they always trusted them, got a lot of work done here. A lot of people, I think Alex Choi's had stuff done here. So they deal with a lot of the super high-end stuff, and I needed somebody I could trust. Ben is freaking awesome. He's an awesome guy. They knocked it out of the park, and I'm about to fire up the car for the first time ever. Now, it's worth mentioning, this isn't like a normal, you get a vehicle and put an exhaust on it. Like, I literally bought this car after hearing Randy's SVJ with the GINTANI system on it. Like, I literally bought this car to do this modification. So I had the mod in mind before even buying the car. It's a little bit more special than just a normal modification. Like, it's like me getting my SVJ for real, because the entire time I've had it so far, I've always in the back, like, I love it and it's great, but in the back of my mind, I'm like, man, it's not complete yet. And it is now. So let's freaking hear it. So freaking hype, guys. I know that it's not like the biggest car for content on the channel, but I love it so much. I always have loved Lambos, and this is my dream one. That is so freaking nuts. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I mean, the GINTANI system is what you need for this car. It's what it needs. It makes it sound like an old school Mercy. It gives it that F1 car sound. It's appropriately named the GINTANI F1 system. I mean, it is, oh my god, it's freaking, it might be the best sounding car on the planet. Sounds nuts, dude. I can't wait for you to pull away so I can get like a sound clip of it. I'm just, I don't even have words right now. Thank you so much. Beautiful. You guys killed it. I love the exhaust. I love the downpipe. I love everything. I literally bought the car to get this exhaust. Like, that's why I bought the car. And it sounds so good. Dude. So good. I am pumped. Thank you guys so much. You're welcome. Thank you. The fire that comes out of that bad boy? I haven't seen it yet, oh but... my god, we have video. Oh my god. With sparks coming out. It looks like the Raptor. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble. Huh? I'm going to get in a lot of trouble with this car. Hopefully not. Thank you. They said I should do launch control here. Should I launch it? You think? All right. They said I should do this here, so you do traction off. What? Oh my god. Okay. I might have a new favorite car. Now let's see if the little the pop shift works here. What? That's louder than the Viper. Oh my god. I know people say like, oh, that sounds like a gunshot, but that actually does. Oh my god. I am gonna get in, so I'm shaking. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Most of this video is going to be me just smiling and laughing like an idiot, but I am just blown away right now by the car. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, everything you see on video is nothing compared to how it actually is. Like, nothing compared to how it actually is. Oh my God, wait it, I think that was Brooks. What? I literally think that was him. What the hell? This car proves that it doesn't matter how fast your car is, because I like this. I'm telling you, it might be my favorite. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. No freaking way. No freaking way. Opinion, this is how a V12 Lambo should sound. Like, when you see this car, you expect a sound like this, and now it's perfection. Big thank you to the guys at Wheels Boutique, of course, and a big thank you to the guys at GINTANI. I love this exhaust. You know, ever since, like I said, when I first heard it, I knew that I had to have that in my life. And you know, it's not like I woke up one day and just had a bias for GINTANI. I've heard a lot of exhausts, and you know, they're good, a lot of them are good, but nothing has this unique sound. And in my opinion, this is the exact sound a Lamborghini V12 should have. So it's a match, it really is a match made in heaven. It is perfect. Again, video does not do it justice, but it's perfection. Trust me, it's absolute perfection. Quick fuel stop done. Not surprisingly, I was out of gas. Really not sure why. I drive very normally, but yeah, I'm sure you're wondering what we're doing. That guy I love Florida. Golf cart. Pulls right up. Anyway, I didn't want to wait to come down and see the car because I was too excited, but Gina couldn't make it. She has a ton of wedding cake orders. It's big wedding season right now. So I decided, you know what, let me come down, drive the car, have some fun, film a video, and then I'll leave it at Turner's house, and then we'll come back down together later on, like in a week or two. So that's what we're doing. I'm driving the car from Miami to Naples. We're gonna see Turner again, so that'll be fun. We haven't seen him on the channel in a while. Reason being because he moved to Florida. Now that we're in Florida, we can hang out and see his SVJ as well. Same setup as mine, but he just got some new wheels that look amazing. Anyway, let's go see Turner and we'll have a little fun with 2 SVJs. But first, McDonald's. And it's Miguel, right? Yeah. That's easy. It's an automated manual, so you don't have to use a clutch pedal, but you do have to hit the paddle. Okay. Rev it out to about 40 and then shift and it'll give you that big pop. was picking up my food, and a lady comes up and says, my coworker would love to go for a ride, but he doesn't want to ask you. And I ate my lunch, and then I was like, you know what? Let's take him out, because everybody that experiences this car is one more person that I have in the fight against banning cars. And I mean, I know that it was experiences like that and meeting people who had cars like this and people that were nice and open. It was experiences like that that led me to be where I'm at. So if I can share that, that's freaking awesome. And we all love cars. Cars bring everyone together. Dude, I know we already talked about this, but Turner always is one step ahead of me, because look at how this freaking thing turned out. That is just beautiful. A fat 5-spoke design. I mean, really, I think it turned out perfectly, because it's a modern wheel and it works on a modern car, but you got the polished lip. It kind of harkens back to the 90s a little bit. I love it, dude.
It's like a Diablo GTS, right?
I love it. I think they missed us together on camera, dude. I was like, dude, I'm finally going to see Turner. It's been forever. Honestly, but you moved away from me, so it's not my fault.
I did. It was, well, I got stuck here technically, because remember I was here for COVID, or before COVID, lockdown, and then I just never left after lockdown.
I'm kind of not blaming you though, because I'm looking at this view, your house here, the palm trees. Yeah. Really, Turner's got the right idea. I should come down here and be smart.
That for 2 years, man.
Yes.
I get rid of all the trucks and everything, and I don't need that. I can drive this every day.
Yeah. Imagine this can literally be a practical daily driver if you live in Florida, which.
And that's why this
not
is
bad.
20,000 miles on it.
20,000. That's insane, dude. But my God, you did really knock it out of the park, buddy. I have to say, that just looks so good. And Turner, his car is the real color, blue Cephas? Cephas?
Yeah, something like Cephas.
I had to wrap mine because I didn't get the color I wanted. But I mean, if you ever sell this, is what I'm trying to say, just let me know. Is yours lowered?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay.
When we did the wheels, we did Novitec springs.
Okay.
So it brings it down like an inch.
I was gonna say it looks lower.
Yeah,
it looks
you can
good.
adjust it, which is nice. Actually, you can adjust the factory springs too. So you can lower the car from the factory a little bit.
Like, it's already a low car, and look how low. Like, dude, I am not that tall, and it's to my waist. The roof of the car, that's nuts.
Yeah, the only thing that does suck by lowering it and adding the lip that I did, it 100% scrapes everywhere.
I believe that. Oh, so this is different.
Yeah, because that's from the factory. This is the only part that Lamborghini never did in carbon. You have this in carbon, the side skirts, but this not. So this is a rift lip.
You are right.
And
because mine's just like black plastic.
Yeah, because the whole bumper is actually one panel. I didn't even see this before, have you?
Yeah, you had it up.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, because I had the yellow car at the time. Oh, new wheel?
No.
That's stock wheel. Wow.
Oh,
that's
actually,
really
no.
cool.
You know what? It's not.
I don't think it
had. It's the wheel that came with the car. So the guy who owned it before me had some company that does carbon on them.
Wow. I mean, literally, your car is perfection. Way louder from the outside. Dude, it is way louder from the outside than inside. Holy crap. There we go. Each one's about 8 feet wide. So we've got 16 feet in width of Lambo here. They look so good together though. Wow. So again, the blue Cepheus compared to the... What? No. A little bit more. Now you're good. God, dude. This is super obnoxious. I love it. Cold start here. Same exact setup as my car. So this is what mine, just imagine that one's mine. Cold start. Love you. Holy crap, that was loud as hell. But anyway, he is going to take me to the airport, and this is where our SVJ will stay, and we'll see it again can't believe I finally have one. Like, it's crazy. I was telling the story, like I wanted one ever since I first saw, I think it was Randy.
Yeah, we drove it, remember?
Yeah, oh, that's right, we did. Has anyone ever called the cops on you? All right, noted, noted.
Funny story about this car.
Okay.
I got involved in a slow speed chase.
A slow speed chase?
Yeah, over Christmas.
Okay.
So look out the back, you can't see anything, right?
Yeah.
There's an officer right behind me. I didn't know when I was coming out of my neighborhood. And there was one car way off in the distance coming towards me. So I was like, okay, I have enough time. I hammered on it. And I'm just enjoying life. Turns out that was actually an officer.
Oh, okay.
So he lights me up and apparently came up behind me. And I slowed down then. And he radios into his other guys. He's like, this guy's not stopping, but he's slowing down. And I was just cruising at the speed limit.
Just driving.
And I get to the red light at the gas station. He's like, this guy doesn't know I'm behind him. Comes up next to me, he goes like this. I'm like, oh wow, cop, his lights on. So I pull over. He gets out, he's like, dude, did you like not see me, or like what's up? I was like, I'm so sorry. I was like, I didn't even know you're behind.
Sir, I'm gonna be honest, I can't see out of this car. 3
other cop cars swarm me then, because at the time he reported that there's a car running from the police.
Yeah.
And they're all just like, okay, we're just gonna like not arrest you now, but you're an idiot. The best car on the planet.
Yeah. It's not
the fastest car.
Yeah, it's not that they're that fast or even like that good to drive. They are for us, but it's like a lot of people might not like it, but to us it's like the perfect car. So much character and feel.
Yeah, the theatrics. The car's theatrics are nothing will compare at all.
Hope y'all enjoyed a little SVJ update. And again, I know the Lambo is not a channel favorite or a big content vehicle on the channel, but I know that some of you do care, and that's the update. You guys know I freaking love that car. So it's amazing now. I love it. And it will be back here after Gina and I go down and drive the car and do a little house shopping in Florida, because we're tossing around some ideas, and I'll leave it there. But house in Florida for the winter, just a small condo, wouldn't be bad. So hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Take care. Have a great night. I'll see you in the next one.